I'm José Pizarro, and this is the Great British Chef Signature Series. I never wanted to be a chef. My dad told me, José, or you do something for yourself, or you coming back to the farm. Definitely, I don't going back to the farm. When I finished my studies, I started doing a cookery course. The feeling of those smells coming from the kitchen, that bring me back to my childhood. Hospitality is not about chef, you know? Hospitality is all about the customers. Bring people together and make people happy. Hi, I'm José Pizarro. I'm gonna be cooking this absolutely stunning Floreta, Spanish pastry with plenty of honey. This dish is something that my mom cooked for special occasions, and it's so beautiful when it's on the plate, and it's the best way for me to finish a good lunch. It's no many ingredients. It's only eggs, a syrup, then we make sugar, half and half, very light, and with some anisette, star anisette. Flour, extra virgin olive oil, then being infused with lemon peel, and that's it. And just mix everything together. Yeah, eggs. This is very Moorish. It's you know, the Muslim more were in Spain for I think like 700 years, and the use of the honey, they almost in every single dessert. Almonds and honey is just the big thing for them. We are gonna add in the syrup, extra virgin olive oil, like we say, infused with lemon peel. Just fry, just very gentle, you know? Never boil, never fry. Just infuse a little bit to bring all the oils from the lemon peel. And the flour. And just mix well. No more, no less. We don't want any lump. Beautiful. How simple is that? And we are just gonna leave in the fridge to rest for 30 minutes. Done. And the mix being in the fridge approximately half an hour minimum, yeah? And this is very simple. The mold is in the oil for a very long time. The oil should be around 180. And important thing is dry a little bit, like that, straight to the mix until 1/3, and then straight to the oil, yeah? And that's it. Back again, the mold into the oil, have to be always very hot. Take it out and leave to dry. And do again. Dry a little bit the oil. As you can see, no on top. That space, dry a little bit, take it out the mix, and straight to the oil. Family, come together, bring friends. When this is happening, something good is happening. Now the honey needs to be really hot and bubbling, yeah? The floretas already drained from the oil, and it's just very simple. Like that, look, be careful. And then you will turn it, yeah, when you are put on the plate. Again, nice. Look, absolutely gorgeous. Again, all of this is all about memories, you know? The memories, the smell, I think is what bring me to be a chef. And now, when you turn around, all the honey will go to the bottom. And this is Floreta, a really yummy Spanish pastry with plenty of honey.